Hey everyone, my name is Kevin from Moto Chop Shop. Today I'm going to be working on this Speed Twin. We're going to be removing the stock mufflers from this bike and installing the new British Customs Predator carbon mufflers. They're smaller in size, they're about 3.5 inches in diameter. They're shorter as well. We're going to compare the sound difference between stock mufflers and the new British Customs carbon design. We're also going to be comparing the weight differences between the stock mufflers and the new British Customs Predator carbons as well. Weighing in at 6 pounds 8 ounces is the stock muffler, and the British Customs muffler comes in at 2.6 ounces. Okay, so now we're going to install the new exhaust. Okay, now we're going to make sure we wipe off the exhaust with rubbing alcohol or acetone to make sure there's no fingerprints on the mufflers before the first fire up. Okay, now we're going to repeat that same process on the other side. And the reason why we're doing that is to make sure that the fingerprints don't get embedded into the mufflers once you fire it up. Okay, so now we have the exhaust installed and paired with an X-pipe. We should also mention that these new mufflers have the new race core installed in them. Let's take it outside and see what it sounds like. Okay, so now we're going to install the British Customs Predator carbon on the 2021 bobber. We're also going to compare the weight of the difference in mufflers. Keep in mind that this one has an elbow on the muffler itself. And also you want to make sure to check with either us or British Customs before doing this install, as some of the later models, catalytic converters are welded to the mufflers themselves. Okay, so now we're going to take this off and go ahead and weigh it. Stock muffler is coming in at 7 pounds 4 ounces. And the new ones are coming in at 3 pounds 4 ounces. Let's cut it. Okay, install's all complete. Let's take it outside for a sound check. Okay, so I just got back on the 2021 Bobber test ride after we installed the British Customs Predator carbon exhaust, and what a noticeable difference I heard in sound and performance. Felt great as well. If you would like to purchase any British Customs parts, please use our promo code Moto Chop Shop 57 on BritishCustoms.com for 10% off your order. Thank you for joining us today.